Hello class, my name is Christopher Rockwell. This is my week 3 reflection video for Java 1, term 1401. This week was really exciting. I was able to finally get off into one of the things that I really admire about programming as a whole, which is dealing with APIs and getting data that is already posted by another service and manipulating it and doing it in a unique way. So let me get off into it. What I used, like I said last week, was the Rotten Tomatoes API. Let me go ahead and run it so I can kind of show you how everything is functioning. Get it running here. Alright, my app's called Movie Ratings, and what you do is go in and just simply select your movie with the spinner here. I got Captain Phillips, Despicable Me 2, and The Lone Ranger. So let's just stick with Captain Phillips, get movie rating. And it says this movie gets a gold ribbon. Here's just some custom icons I made. I got 3 different ones: bronze, silver, gold. Bronze, of course, is the worst, or you have got a bad movie rating. The silver is between a 50 and a 75% rating, critic rating, and the gold is just 75 to 100%. So Despicable Me 2, you have the silver ribbon. You have the title here, year release, critic score, audience score, and we have The Lone Ranger. This one has a bronze ribbon, and the critic score is only 31%. Let me kind of go through some code here. As far as what I changed from last week to this week, I had to definitely add a advanced UI component, which was my spinner. Last week I had a radio group, so I had to definitely get that changed as I done here in this code right here. And then the main thing, of course, is getting it connected, checking my connection, and let me demonstrate how I actually done it within my emulator. My settings. Airplane mode, and let me open the app back up. Now if I was to try to get a rating, I would now get the no connection, you don't have a valid internet connection alert dialog. And then when I hit OK, then it'll tell me check your connection and try again in my toast at the bottom. So I definitely have some error handling there. And of course, it's really important. With my particular API, it was an object and an array. So what I had to do was get the object first and then cast it into an array with the array of movies. Then I had to also cast that to get the ratings, because the ratings was within another object. So that's what all this is doing right here. So I got the movies, and I cast that into an object, and I cast a particular movie into another object to get the ratings. And then I set it all down here. As you can see here, I get my title and my year just based off this one. And then I have to get my critic score, my audience score, based off of this one right here. So that was the main thing I had to play around with, was reading the JSON and figuring out how to get it outputted into my app. But this was a very successful week for me. I had a lot of fun. Don't really have many questions. Just excited to give them a more intuitive interface in this coming week. Kind of play with some design principles and different things like that. Hope y'all had a successful week just as I have. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.